Some of you knew my old man. Some just knew his legacy. It's no secret that he was conflicted at the end. Questioned every decision he'd ever made. About the club, about his family. That fear, that doubt, it ruined him. Made him vulnerable. I'm here to tell you that I'm not following that path. The choices that I make are not because I'm afraid, or because I have any doubts about this club.
When the sins of my father lay down in my soul, and the pain of my mother will not let me go. Well, I know they can't come fire from the sky to refine the purest of kings. And even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, and just the same, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, oh, make it rain, make it rain, oh, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, make it rain. Oh, the seed needs the water before it goes out of the ground, but it just keeps on getting hard. Hunger more profound. Well, I know there can come tears from the eye, but they may as well all be in vain. And even though I know these tears come with pain, even so, and just the same, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, oh, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain down, Lord, just make it rain, make it rain.
I watched my best friend get his head caved in to protect what we have here. We've all watched brothers die in the service of this club. There's two things you can do when that happens. You can run from the pain, bail, or you can allow it to burn into your heart, to leave its mark.
When the seas are full of water, stops by the shore, it's like the riches of grandeur, never reach the poor. Let the clouds fill with thunderous applause, and let lightning be the veins. Fill the sky with all that they can draw when it's time to make a change. Make it rain down, Lord. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain down, Lord. Make it rain, oh, make it rain, make it rain. Make it rain, make it rain down. Make it rain. Oh, make it rain. 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 Oh, make it rain.
True freedom requires sacrifice and pain.